show 007 445. You're doing this thing.
Listen again. I'm going to let this blue steel breathe. 357 with the wave.
Oh, dear command, my God, 4 1/4. Oh, dear command, boy. Let me read the pen.
Hey, Yoke. Top my man, somebody popping there out of Maryland. It got quiet. But I did hear somebody break in there from Maryland. Doorknob down here in Music City. Look.
No, hey, doorknob, it's Maine. Hey, doorknob, it's Maine, not Maryland. 122, just letting you know.
122, tell doorknob 357 wave to AM too. Hey, 122, tell my friend up around Nashville, I'm that 357 wave to AM too. Tell him to get it right. Hey, 122, 357 said keep my 5 alive.
And 357, you want me to roll that 5? 357, you want me to roll that 5? That old doorknob, absolutely doing it. We're absolutely going to roll that 5, that doorknob from that 357, 122 back out of the road.
Hey, 122, man, I provide 122. Keep up the good work. 357 East Hills to Tennessee. I'll see you.
Right back at you, 357. You sound real good, sir. You absolutely sound real good in the receive up here in the corner. No two ways about it. You bump it down, you just start rolling on through. 357, take care. Good sounding station. 122 out of the road. Bye-bye.